Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I know is card day, but I've had so many ideas, y'all, and I really wanted, because it's October, I wanted to get this last minute treat holder out for you because it's super quick and easy and it's really fun. So this is what I'm sharing today. I actually ran out of this designer series paper, so I'm using a different pattern on the back. This is from the Them Bones designer series paper. By the way, those will be available October 9th. They are coming back in stock. So the designer series paper, I believe the stamp set you can get now. I'm not positive, but if not, I'm sure it'll be back October 9th as well, because a bunch of stuff is coming in on October 9th. So if you have these on your wish list, be sure to go on October 9th and place your order, because you know these things go so fast. But look how cute it is, and you can just, it has a little handle on it. You can put any kind of flat candy in here. I actually got these from Home Goods. The Home Goods Marshall store, and they came in a package like this, and there's a bunch in there. They're so cute, and when I saw these I thought they'd be perfect for the Them Bones bundle that we have, and so I got these little guys. But like I said, you can find any kind of flat candy will fit in these, and they're really easy. So what I'm using for this, I am using some pumpkin pie. Let me scoot these out of the way. So this piece is 4 by 4, and then I'm matting it, and this piece is 3 7/8 by 2.5. I did use our stylish shapes for this little circle that I cut out. This is for our little tag that's going to go on top. I'm also using the stitched rectangle dies, these right here, and I am using this smaller one. There are so many in here, y'all. Look at all of these. This is such a good one to have, and I'm using this one right here, and that's for our top handle. And then the, of course, Bag of Bones bundle right here. This time I'm going to use the Boo for You because I think that fits on here better. I use this Eat, Shriek, and Be Scary on the other one, but yeah, this is so cute. I love this bundle, and you know I'm not huge into Halloween, but this one was so cute and so whimsical. I really liked it. Alright, so that is what we're using for it. It's super quick, and oh, the main thing here that you need is the Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes. So this is what I'm using. They are our clear envelopes, and I'm going to tell you the size of these. It is 4 1/4 by, I think it's 5 1/2, or let's see, by 6. Just about 4 1/4 by 6 without the top, because this folds over. I use these when I do swaps, or if I'm going to be giving gifts. I put my cards in here so it keeps them really nice. But this is what we're using for this. And what first thing we're going to do on this one, we are going to cut it down to 3 1/4 inches. Because you need to, it needs to be smaller. So cut it at 3 1/4, and you're just going to use the bottom part for this. And oh, my host code, forgot about that. By the way, thank you who all have been using the host code. This month of October, I'm going to be doing a free gift with purchase. It's going to be some embellishments. So I have several different ones, so everybody's not going to get the same one. But yeah, I'm going to give that away with using the, if you use the hostess code and you place an order with me, you will get a free embellishment this month. All right, and the reason that I do that a lot is so I can do giveaways as well. And not only does it make sure that I get credit for my order, but also because, yeah, I can do giveaways more often if you use it. If I don't use it, I can't do the giveaways. All right, so this is all you're going to need for this. So let's go ahead and do it really quick. So I'm going to just mat this piece. And like I said, you can use any of the paper off of this for these because they're so cute. And I wanted to show you a little extra tip, because if you really like this little pattern, you can actually make that on your own. we have a stencil also, and this stencil comes in this abundant, let me see, I gotta be sure what the name of this one is. Okay, it's the Abundant Beauty Decorative Masks. Now, I've talked about this when I got it because it does have where you can layer, if you've seen this, you can layer each one on here and it makes a gorgeous daisy. I haven't shared it because it's been out of stock, but it is another one coming back in October 9th. But not only do you get the daisies, but you get these other stencils as well. So fall leaves, this is beautiful. And then the snowflakes, and then this one looks like the little bats. I know it looks like houndstooth as well, but I think it's meant to be the little bats because it looks just like the designer series paper. And I went ahead and I almost used this for my background. I made it myself. So this one I used with the Stampin' Up! Ink, and this one I used with my Distress Oxide. So you can do it with any ink you have, but you can use this as well as your background. Just cut it to the right size, and you can use that, and it'll match the ribbon. But that's just a little tip I had if you really want to do this. I wanted to make it super quick and easy, so that's why I'm using the designer series paper. Alright, so we're going to run this through the cut and emboss. We're going to make our little handle here, and I'm going to use a piece of mint tape to hold it down. Just center it. Make sure you have enough on the top space so that your handle doesn't get flimsy. And then I'm going to run it through the cut and emboss, and I'll be right back with that. Okay, it's that simple. So there you have it. I'm going to use my little corner rounder. We don't have this corner rounder anymore, but we have another one. This one I just keep because it's so convenient and so super easy to use. So I'm going to grab 3 of my little skeleton chocolates, and what I like to do is I like to use the Stampin' Seal Plus, and I just run a piece all the way across here, and this will hold on your little skeleton guys or whatever you have. I think they had pumpkins there too, so if you wanted to do something like that, you can do the little pumpkins. But they always have really cute candies. If you never go there, you need to go, because I really like to buy candy from there because it's also so cute. And I love to use it in my little treats. So what you're going to do next is just lay a piece that goes across the top here and put it on your designer series paper. This way you can't see it like when you pull it off. I also put a piece on the back side. You don't even have to put it on the back side, but I did run another piece across the back side just to hold it tight in there. And you know the kids, what they're going to do is they're just going to tear it open and get the candy, but I love making it really cute for them. This would be really cute for a nursing home as well. I like to kind of put these guys a little wonky too. Alright, so I'm going to slide this little clear envelope on there. I love using these too for treats. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this backing off. I like to do the front side first, and then just press it down on here. Just like that. And then we'll do the back side. But see, you don't really need it on the back, but I don't know. I just put it on the back anyway. And then just press that down. And then there you have the little ones in there, little candies in there. And then we're going to stamp our sentiment. And like I said, I'm going to do the Boo to You. I'm just going to use my VersaFine today. And then we're just going to do the Boo to You. And you're going to use a hole punch, and I'm using my little hole punch And this is the 1/8 inch. I have one linked in the description of the video. If you don't have one this size, I like to use this one because it's really good for stringing your ribbon and stuff. I don't like that huge hole that's in it. All right, then I'm going to grab my ribbon. I'm going to cut a little bit more of a point on here because this is a small. And I'm going to go from this way. Move that out of the way. Make sure you have a piece big enough. I love this gingham ribbon. Okay, then we're going to put this on here. I hope I have my tag on right. Make sure these are even. You can tie it on the top or on the side. I like it better on the side. I feel like I got this on wrong. Let me see. Yep, I think I gotta go this way. Yeah, go from the back side. It works better that way. I don't know why I struggle every time I have to do a bow on camera. It's just the thing, y'all. I just don't know. It's a pretty cute bow, though. All right, and then I'm just going to cut these shorter. Okay, there you go. All done. Look how cute they are, though. Wouldn't they be cute for like a classroom or for just a nursing home or just some super quick and easy treats to give your coworkers? They're really fun to do and so easy. All right, everyone, I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and share because all those things help my channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.